All right, are you ready to go on a year-long quest to finally conquer your photo chaos once and for all? Because by the end of this, you won't just be organized. Oh no, you'll be the photo organizing hero of your family.
I bet this looks familiar, right? You've got photos on your phone, your computer, some old USB sticks, probably some boxes in the attic. It feels like you're drowning in this digital and physical tidal wave of memories. It's overwhelming, maybe even feels impossible. But what if I told you there was a map to get you through it all? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're handing you the map. This isn't just about cleaning up a mess. It's about transforming all that chaos into a treasured, accessible legacy for your family. So think of this as your official call to adventure. And like any epic journey, you need a good map. So here's our plan. We'll start with the call to adventure, basically how this whole quest works. Then we'll move through 4 clear stages: building the foundation, taming the chaos, crafting your legacy, and finally, getting your hero's reward. Then we'll talk about your path to victory.
Okay, so how does this whole grand adventure actually work? It's probably a lot simpler than you're imagining. The whole path is designed to be motivating and, most importantly, totally achievable.
Okay, so here's the deal. Every single month, you get just one core mission. That's it. One single area to focus on with small, super clear steps. You complete the challenge, and then you get that sweet satisfaction of marking your progress on a punch card, which is a small thing, but it's a really powerful motivator. And as you earn rewards along the way, you'll see how these small, consistent steps add up to a massive win. All right, let's dive into stage 1 of our journey. Quarter 1 is all about laying that crucial groundwork. This is where we get everything ready for the main event by building a rock-solid base for our entire photo collection. So in January, our mission is to gather everything. We're talking a complete inventory. Then in February, we get all those old physical photos into the digital world where they're safe. And March is so important. We protect it all. Yeah, in March, we're going to master what's called the 3-2-1 system. It's the gold standard for protecting your data for a reason. It's a simple rule, but it is powerful. You have 3 copies of your data on 2 different kinds of media, with at least one of those copies stored off-site. This little strategy makes sure your memories are safe from pretty much any disaster, whether that's a simple hard drive crash or something way worse. Okay, with our foundation totally secure, now we can move on to stage 2. This is where we face that digital beast head on. Quarter 2 is all about taking that giant, overwhelming mess of files and finally gaining control.
So we kick things off in April by sorting everything into a master folder system that, actually makes sense. Then May is when we tackle the big one for so many people: decluttering, getting rid of all the junk. And in June, we make our entire library searchable by tagging people, places, and events.
And I want you to just imagine the power of that May mission. I mean, you go from a folder just full of digital noise, blurry shots, duplicates, random screenshots, to this beautifully curated collection where every single image is one you actually want to keep. It's all about quality over quantity. By the time we hit quarter 3, we've moved way beyond just tidying up. Honestly, this is where the real fun starts. We get to start using our organized collection to create real meaning and tell the stories that are hiding behind the photos. So, in July, you're going to build truly meaningful albums. August is all about the stories, adding captions, maybe even recording audio memories to go with the pictures. And in September, we finally give our often forgotten videos the love and attention they deserve. You see, this is a huge shift. By the time you finish this stage, your whole role has changed. You're not just the person who has all the photos anymore. You are the one who holds and shares your family's most precious stories. You're the storyteller. And that brings us to the final act, your hero's reward. Quarter 4 is pretty much the victory lap. It's where all that hard work pays off in ways that are tangible, shareable, and best of all, sustainable. In October, you'll be creating actual legacy projects. Think photo books, slideshows, things you can really share. In November, you build a simple, easy routine to maintain your new organized system without even thinking about it. And December, well, that's all about celebrating everything you've accomplished and earning your official hero badge.
But here's the thing, no hero ever goes on a quest completely alone, right? A huge part of this program is the support system we've built in to keep you motivated and on track for the whole year.
So your Heroes Toolkit is packed. You've got motivational messages, mid-month check-ins to keep you going, those super satisfying punch cards, plus prizes and celebrations every single quarter. You'll earn mini badges along the way, all leading up to that final, glorious 2026 gold badge. So if you're sitting there thinking, yes, I am ready to start my own quest, here is your very first step. You can head to this link and join the waitlist right now to be the first to know when enrollment for this adventure officially opens. Look, your journey to becoming your family's photo organizing hero, it all starts with one single step. The only question left is, are you ready to take it?